Hey guys, I have seen a question on internet on social media. Someone asked a question that what does a company expect from a fresh graduate of computer science? So I would like to share with you my experience with you. Uh, when you join a new company and you have just graduated with computer science degree, so you should expect that they're going to expect from you actually is that you have done a complete project before, like complete SDLC, software development lifecycle, from entry to exit, that you have done all that as individual person. So you know front end, you know back end, all right, especially these two things. So let's say you have joined as a PHP developer. Imagine you can be a Java developer or Python. So most probably you will be working on front end and both at the back end also. So on front end, for example, if it is PHP or a web-based system, so you will expect that they will ask you, okay, this is the requirement, please create HTML form. And then, for example, a registration form, user registration form, then they may expect you, okay, yeah, you can start with username, password, confirm password, email address, phone number, blah, blah, blah. And then validate this form, add form validation feature. So they expect that from you that you know HTML5 and JavaScript for form validation. They can ask you either way. So you should know about these things. At the back end, they might ask you, okay, so now this data from registration form, you will get from the user, and now process it and insert it into DB. So you should know that you how to create table, database table, how many columns should be there, what should be the column size, what should be the column data type, varchar or integer, and also date and time, timestamp. So you should know these data types and size that you should put. What should be the size? One or like 255 or 100 watt. So explore these things. Okay. Uh, you should be self-learner. They will expect that from you. It means, yes, you will be, because you're the junior programmer, and you will be actually attached with a senior programmer that is already working in the company, but that senior programmer will be very busy in his own coding. What you are supposed to do is you're not supposed to call him again and again and again. So you should be self-learner. If you call him again and again and again, he is going to report to project manager, maybe politely, that this guy, shall we extend, renew his contract or not? Because first time you will be on a probation for probably 3 months or maybe 6 months. So they will be starting thinking about that if you're asking too many questions. So don't ask too many questions. Go on Google and search many solutions on there. So but I don't say that you should not ask any question. You can ask question. For example, you have never created email feature. You have never sent email from your software. So, and you don't know how to do it. So better you search first instead of directly asking every time to your senior. And your email is working. You try email and email is sent, and SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, that's working, and you can receive email in your own email. So test, you have tested it, it's working fine. Good. Now there is a requirement that you should send attachment also, but you have never done that, and you have tried two, three, four solutions, but it didn't work out. Now you can ask the senior, but like these days in COVID time, people are on Zoom. So you will not ask how to send attachment. No, don't ask like this. Instead of that, you will say, okay, I want to send attachment via email. I have tried out these two, three options. These options are very important. And this will show to your senior that, oh, you are a self-learner and you have tried out solutions, and it will save his time also, so that he will not propose you the same thing you have already tried out. So always tell him, I tried option 1, 2, 3, and they didn't work. So then he can tell you, okay, try option 4, or in option 2, uh, so change something and it will work. Last thing, this asking thing, disturbing senior, try, as I said, try to avoid that, and pair up with another junior really quickly. Be social, be friendly, uh, talk to him or her on the over a cup of tea, and just pair up quickly. So it will help you a lot, because he is also learning, you're also learning, and you will learn together. And he might have asked already, for example, how to send attachment. So asking your junior member is better than asking your senior. Okay. So I hope these points will help you out in your like first 1 month or 2 months or 3 months time. Okay. Good luck. Thank you. Bye.